How to use dashboard on eShare.ai. To start with eShare.ai, you have to log in with a username and password. Fill up the username and password and click the arrow button. Here you can see all your uploaded data, photos, and everything in this place. On the left side, you can see all files, favorites, shared with you, shared with others, shared by link, tags, and external storage buttons. By clicking on the Favorites tab, you can view your favorite folders, photos, and videos. You can make your favorites by clicking on the star icon on the file or folder. Click on Shared with You, other user files or documents shared with you. Clicking Shared with Others means the documents or folders are shared with other users. Next, Shared by Link. Here you can see all the links who were sent through public link. These public links will be shown in Shared by Link tab. Click Tags, and you can search by the tag name given on file or folder tags. And external storage, you have to enable your extra storage with the eShare team. Click on Deleted Files at bottom. You can restore your files or folders by clicking on Restore button on the file or folder. Next, click Settings button. By using this web address, you can access your data via WebDAV. On every file or folder, you can see the Share and 3 dots icons. On clicking the Share icon on the folder, you can see the shared link and type collaborative tags, comments, and sharing options. And click on the 3 dots icon. You can check the details, rename, download, and delete the file. You can search for your file name by clicking on the search icon on the top right side of your account. Click on your account, click Settings, and here you can check the storage data size, change your name, profile picture, email ID and password, language, and mail notification options. Click on the Storage button here to enable external storage from the eShare team. Next, click on Sharing, check the options for automatically accept new incoming local user shares and allow finding you via autocomplete in the Share dialog. And click Security. In this, you can check the storage security and used browser's details. You can now download the eShare.ai app from the Play Store and the App Store to receive alerts and instant notifications. Thank you for using eShare.ai, Data Luggage Partner.